Hey, hey everybody, it's Marilyn Peavy. Today I am going to show you the my application tips to get the serious wow lashes that replaces the falsies with Younique's new 4D Fiber Lash Mascara. This mascara is incredible and lightweight. You can apply like a normal mascara if you want to, but I'm going to give you a few application tips and tricks that you can do to maximize the overall appearance and get that wow look with your lashes. Here is my tips on how to apply this mascara to get the maximum look and to get that wow factor. Okay, the Moodstruck Epic 4D Mascara. The fibers are built into the tube. The fibers are infused in this formula so that it eliminates multiple tubes like it was before. It's just like a regular mascara, but it has Y-shaped nylon fibers and they're already mixed into this tube, which is amazing. What makes this this makes it much easier and quicker to apply. When you get it, you want to pull it out like this and just roll it around, ladies. You don't want to pump it because all you're doing is pumping air in there, and that makes your mascara dry out. That's with any mascara actually, but we want to get those fibers mixed, those Y fibers mixed up in that due to shipment or settling or whatever. So you only need to do that once. Now let me show you the wand. The wand is specifically designed for this formula. One side is flat, has shorter bristles. The other side has fluffy bristles. So how we apply this is that you're going to go to the base of your lashes and you're going to wiggle back and forth, and then you're going to do a roll or a twist in the wand, so that way all the fibers can get on and coat around your lashes and get the results that we're looking for and give you that wow factor. The steps is that you want to apply it on clean, dry lashes. You don't need eyelash primer or anything like that. They just need to be dry and clean in order for this to work. Now you want to take the wand out and you can clean the excess off. I found that it makes it easier to do that, is to clean some of the excess off. And then what we're going to do, like I said, we're going to wiggle first, and then we're going to rotate or go in a circle, however you want to say it. So we're going to go to the base of our lashes and we're going to wiggle up. And some of y'all may already do this with your mascara already and just don't realize that you're doing it. So all we're doing is wiggling back and forth slightly, and this is going to help coat those lashes with those Y fibers. So now we're going to twist it and go up with it, just like so. So all the while it's applying the Y fibers to your lashes, and it's extending them out, and I'm already seeing results. Now I have found too that you can look down in the mirror down, and you can also curl your lashes. And I'll curl this side. We're going to clean the excess off. Alright, so we're going to do this side. So we're going to shimmy up, wiggle it up, shimmy back and forth the whole time while we're wiggling him back and forth. I don't know about y'all, but I kind of get weird when I get over here. Okay, so now I'm going to have to go this way. So we're going to twirl the wand so we can coat all those lashes. Now, if you need to separate your lashes, if you need to, you can use the tip end of your wand, like I'm doing here, or you can use a lash comb. Now, I don't let that dry. If I wanted to apply a second coat, I go immediately in, and you've noticed I've not double dipped back into it because we don't need to. It's got enough product on there. Before, we would let this formula dry and then go back and apply, but I have found that it makes it clumpy when you do that. So we're going to shimmy back and forth the same way that we just did, and then we're going to roll just like so. Y'all, look at that. Look at those lashes, you guys. I hope y'all can see that. I'll take a picture and put it at the end of this video. But we're going to do another coat of this. And this is the 4D Fiber Epic Mascara. And this is the replacing the 3D. I can't figure out how I'm going to put my hand. So that is 2 coats, you guys, and it's just awesome. And just remember to wiggle and twist until you get the desired effect. This way, it'll give you the best results you are wanting. Build the mascara and spin with a second coat while it's still wet. So remember that. Don't wait in between coats because it may cause clumping. You guys, this mascara does not flake. It does not smudge. It doesn't crumble. It lasts all day. There's no fiber fallout. It's very easy to remove. I easily remove it with a makeup cloth or a cleansing stick, which like this, a cleansing stick. And I like using the cleansing stick because it just dissolves the mascara off, and then I just wipe it off and it doesn't damage my lashes. So it's very easy to use. So if y'all have any questions about this, please let me know because this stuff is awesome. Let me show you my lashes again. I do not have lashes, and this stuff is awesome. And I've sold so many, and so many ladies are loving it. So if you want to get your hands on this mascara, message me today.